To use Best Buy Store Credit online, start by visiting the Best Buy website and sign in to your account. If you do not have an account, create one to proceed. Once you are logged in, navigate to the shopping cart where you want to apply your store credit. Before you begin, make sure you have your store credit information readily available, including the credit amount and any corresponding promotional codes. Next, proceed to the checkout page by clicking on the shopping cart icon. Review your order to ensure everything is correct. Then look for the payment options section. In this section, you will see an option to apply a gift card or store credit. Click on this option to enter your store credit information. Enter the store credit amount and any required promotional codes. Then click Apply to see the updated order total. If you have any remaining balance, you can choose to pay with a credit card, debit card, or other accepted payment methods. Finally, review your order one last time to ensure everything is accurate. Then click Place your order to complete the transaction. Your store credit will be applied to the purchase, and you will receive an email confirmation with the order details. It is essential to note that Best Buy Store Credit can only be used for online purchases or in-store purchases at Best Buy locations. Additionally, store credit cannot be used to purchase gift cards or other certain items. To get the most out of your store credit, consider using it for purchases during sales events or when combining it with other promotions. This can help you maximize your savings and get the best value for your money. By following these steps and tips, you can easily use your Best Buy Store Credit online and make the most of your shopping experience. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your store credit to ensure you understand any usage restrictions or expiration dates.